Welcome back MH Car Review the channel, and today we're looking at something that completely changes the meaning of luxury travel. This is not a bus, not an RV, and definitely not a normal motorhome. What you're seeing here is a Rolls-Royce inspired ultra-luxury motorhome concept, a rolling executive mansion designed for those who believe the journey should feel just as exclusive as the destination. At first glance, the front design instantly sets the tone. The upright, confident face takes clear inspiration from Rolls-Royce DNA. The smooth, minimalist grille area, soft LED lighting, and clean body lines create a calm but powerful presence. This vehicle doesn't need aggression to look dominant. It relies on elegance, balance, and authority. The matte champagne metallic finish enhances that luxury feel, reflecting light softly instead of shouting for attention. Moving to the side profile, the proportions are absolutely massive yet perfectly controlled. The long executive coach silhouette stretches smoothly from front to back, supported by multiple axles that ensure stability and comfort. Every panel looks seamless, with flush body lines and hidden details that give the vehicle a futuristic, yacht-like appearance. The double-deck layout is subtly integrated, making the motorhome look tall without feeling bulky. One of the most striking features is the panoramic glass design. Large, tinted smart glass windows run along both levels, offering breathtaking views while maintaining privacy. During the day, the glass appears dark and refined. At night, a soft ambient glow from the interior transforms the motorhome into a moving luxury lounge. This isn't just about visibility, it's about atmosphere. Now let's talk about the wheels, because they play a huge role in the visual impact. The Aero-style luxury rims are clean, modern, and perfectly proportioned. With multiple rear axles, this motorhome looks planted and confident, built for smooth long-distance cruising rather than speed. The wheel design prioritizes silence, comfort, and effortless motion, exactly what you'd expect from a Rolls-Royce-inspired concept. Step inside, and the experience changes completely. The driver cockpit feels more like a private jet than a road vehicle. A minimalist digital dashboard blends seamlessly into the cabin, surrounded by premium leather, soft-touch materials, and subtle ambient lighting. Every control feels intentional. Nothing is cluttered, nothing feels unnecessary. This is luxury through simplicity. Behind the cockpit, the main living lounge opens up into a calm, executive environment. Plush seating, wide open space, and carefully selected materials make this feel like a five-star hotel on wheels. Soft LED lighting runs along the walls and ceiling, creating a relaxing atmosphere whether you're traveling during the day or at night. This space is designed for conversation, relaxation, and quiet confidence. The kitchen and dining area follow the same philosophy. Built-in smart appliances, clean cabinetry, and premium finishes allow for full-service dining without sacrificing aesthetics. Everything is hidden, integrated, and refined. This is not a camping kitchen, this is a mobile luxury suite designed for high-end living on the move. Moving upstairs, the second deck adds a whole new level of exclusivity. This space can function as a private bedroom, executive office, or VIP lounge. The elevated position provides panoramic views through smart glass while maintaining privacy. The bedroom layout focuses on comfort, silence, and rest, with premium upholstery, indirect lighting, and a calm, hotel-like ambience. The bathroom is equally impressive. Marble-inspired finishes, modern fixtures, and a spa-like design transform a traditionally small RV space into something that feels premium and relaxing. Rain-style showers, ambient lighting, and high-quality materials make this bathroom feel closer to a luxury suite than a motorhome facility. Technology plays a major role throughout the entire vehicle. Smart control panels allow occupants to adjust lighting, temperature, privacy glass, and entertainment with ease. AI-assisted systems manage energy usage, comfort settings, and driving assistance. Everything works quietly in the background, enhancing the experience without overwhelming the user. In terms of performance, while official specifications aren't confirmed, a concept of this level would likely feature an advanced electric or hybrid powertrain. Silent operation, smooth acceleration, and intelligent suspension systems would make long journeys effortless. This vehicle isn't built for speed, it's built for grace, comfort, and control. This motorhome is clearly designed for a very specific audience. Business executives, celebrities, luxury travelers, and elite clients who value privacy and refinement above all else. It's not about reaching a destination quickly. It's about enjoying every mile in complete comfort and exclusivity. When it comes to pricing, something like this wouldn't come cheap. If produced, this motorhome would easily reach several $1 million, placing it in the same category as private jets and luxury yachts. This isn't transportation, it's a statement. In the end, this Rolls-Royce inspired ultra-luxury motorhome concept shows us what's possible when design, comfort, and imagination come together. It proves that luxury doesn't need to be loud to be powerful. If this is the future of road travel, then the future looks incredibly refined. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comments, would you travel the world in something like this, or is it just too luxurious to be real?